So I'm going to create a new service here at the moment, and let's say name of the service will be my service. We're going to click finish and our new service will be created within our package. Once new service is created, you can see that within this service, it extends the service class. You have a constructor wherein you can initialize your variables or something, and then you have a onBind method here. At the moment, what we are doing is we are not making a bind service, we are making a started service. So in order to make a started service, we are going to override a method here, and name of the method is onStart. Okay, onStart command. So you can see that name of the method is onStart command. So we are going to override onStart command method here. As soon as we use control space, and we'll get this method onStart command, and here is the documentation of your onStart command. This onStart command can be started with an intent. It will receive the intent which you want to start. You can have some flags, you can have some start ID as well. So basically what we have is we have to return some value like start sticky so that it continuously stays in the running mode. Indefinitely run करने के लिए हम start sticky return करते हैं. Okay. So what exactly we have is additional data about the start request. So flags will keep like 0 because we don't want to provide any ID. We can also specify a unique integer representing specific request to start. So in case if you want to say a service can be started by multiple different requests, okay, and depending on individual request ID, it may be possible that service could be performing different types of tasks. So you can provide an ID of the request as well, and depending on the request ID received, your service code may execute. Now, so what we have to do, we are going to provide the intent to this service and we are going to start that. So let's just do that. onStart command, we are going to override this method onStart command. And once we have written the code here, you can see that your onStart command has been overwritten. Okay. So what you will do, as soon as this onStart command started, it will receive the intent, it will receive the flags, some additional data if you want to specify, and you will receive the request ID as well. Okay. Once you have received the request ID, now you can execute your service. I want this service to run indefinitely. So in order to run it indefinitely, I am going to return a value known as start sticky. So start sticky, what it does, it returns a constant value 1, and what this does, let's say if this service process is killed while it is started, then leave it in the started state but don't retain this delivered intent. Later the system will try to recreate the service because it is in the started service state. It will guarantee to call onStart command after creating the new service instance. If there are not any pending start commands to be delivered on the service, it will be called with a null intent object. So you must take care to check for this. This mode makes sense for things that will be explicitly started and stopped to run for arbitrary periods of time, such as service performing background music playback or something like this. Will return start sticky and constant value 1 will be returned here. So whatever code we want to execute, we can execute our code here. Clear? And depending on, let's say in case if you want to send different specific request IDs, you can write a if else block here and you can check the condition that which request has been received, and you can perform different types of tasks. Okay, let's say, so what at the moment I want to do, as soon as this service gets started, I would like to do something like this: toast.make text and something like this. Okay, let's just import the class. We are going to make text and we like to do something like this. Let's say let's get the application context, get application context. So whichever activity is running at the moment, we will display our toast on that application context, and we are going to display a message something like this: service started. And now what next we are going to do, we are going to run it for a long duration, toast.length long dot show. Is that okay? So now what we have is, so once we are going to start the service, we are going to have a toast method running. Clear? Okay. Now, so we are going to save it. And now what we have is, we have this service which will run in the background, and I want our activity to start the service, my service. To start this service, what we have to do, we have to create an intent first. Okay. So what we'll do here, we'll start service here. To do this, we are going to create an intent, and let's call it as service is equal to new intent, and this we have to go from current activity to my service class. Okay. So we have created an intent from our current activity to my service class. Now what next we want to do, we want to start our service using the method start service, and we have to specify the intent service here. Clear? So this is how your service will start it. In case if you want to send some intent, you can pass the intent, some data with the intent you can pass. In case if you want to specify some flags and some request ID, you can do that as well. Let's say the request ID is 1 or something like this, you can do that stuff. Okay. Now, so once you have started the start service, your value will start from here and your my service class will execute. So let's just save this application. What you can see is within your manifest file, you don't need to specify any additional permissions here, but within the manifest file you can see that you have one activity and you have one service as well. Okay. So services are declared with the tag service in your manifest file. So let's save it. Now we are going to run this application on the device. Let's test the application.